Hey everyone, welcome back to GR Mindset Hub, where we empower you to be the best version of yourself. If you're ready to take control of your life and become absolutely unstoppable, this video is for you. Today we're diving into 6 powerful habits that will help you achieve greatness, crush your goals, and live a life of purpose. So hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Before we begin, drop a comment below and tell me which habit you're most excited to learn about. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve everything they set their minds to, while others struggle to make progress? It all comes down to the habits they practice daily. If you can master these 6 habits, you'll see a massive shift in your life. And trust me, these aren't just buzzwords or quick fixes. They're the real deal. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Cultivate a growth mindset. The first habit of unstoppable people is cultivating a growth mindset. What does that mean? It means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, ask yourself, how can I learn this? Remember, every successful person was once a beginner. This mindset transforms challenges into opportunities. When you encounter setbacks, you don't give up. You see them as stepping stones toward your goals. So, how do you start? Here's a quick tip. Every time you fail, write down what you learned from the experience. This simple act will help you shift your perspective and keep pushing forward. Habit 2. Prioritize self-discipline. The second habit is self-discipline. It's the cornerstone of all success. Self-discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. It's about waking up early, going to the gym, or working on that side hustle even when you're tired. Self-discipline separates those who dream from those who achieve. Want to start building this habit? Try this. Pick one task you've been avoiding and commit to working on it for just 10 minutes a day. It might be as simple as reading a book or planning your day. Those small, consistent efforts add up over time, and before you know it, discipline will become your superpower. Habit 3. Focus on daily goals. Next up, habit number 3 is focusing on daily goals. Too many people set huge goals without breaking them down into smaller, actionable steps. That's like trying to climb a mountain in one giant leap. Instead, break down your big dreams into daily goals. This way, every day becomes a step closer to your ultimate vision. Here's a practical tip. Every night, write down 3 things you want to accomplish the next day. Keep them small, specific, and realistic. This way, you start each morning with clarity and purpose. And when you check those items off, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that will keep you motivated. Habit 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Habit 4 is all about your environment. Surround yourself with positivity. They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and it's true. If you're constantly around negative people, it's hard to stay positive and focused on your goals. To become unstoppable, you need to surround yourself with people who lift you up and push you to be better. It could be friends, mentors, or even online communities. And don't forget to feed your mind with positive content, books, podcasts, and videos just like this one. Here's a challenge for you. Unfollow any social media account that brings negativity into your life and replace it with accounts that inspire you. Habit 5. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude might sound simple, but it's a game changer. That's why habit number 5 is practicing gratitude daily. When you focus on what you have instead of what you lack, you change your mindset from scarcity to abundance. This shift in perspective makes you more resilient in the face of challenges. Here's how you can start. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It can be as simple as the air you breathe, the roof over your head, or the people you love. This habit not only improves your mood, but also keeps you grounded, even on tough days. 6. Take action without overthinking. The final habit is taking action without overthinking. Analysis paralysis is real, and it stops many people from reaching their potential. Unstoppable people know that imperfect action is better than no action at all. You don't have to be perfect to start, but you have to start to become perfect. Here's a simple exercise. The next time you have an idea or a goal, give yourself just 5 seconds to act on it. Whether that means sending that email, making that phone call, or hitting the gym, Don't give your mind time to talk you out of it. Just do it. So there you have it, 6 habits that can transform your life and make you absolutely unstoppable. Remember, success isn't about one grand gesture. It's about the small, consistent actions you take every day. Now it's your turn to put these habits into practice and start your journey to a better you. Text on screen, like, subscribe, and share. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GR Mindset Hub, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to share this with someone who needs a little motivation today. Let's build a community of unstoppable achievers together. Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to change your life. See you in the next video.